Honeywell's solution for life sciences industry makes it easier to maintain compliance, bring products to market faster, and improve operational excellence. We enable faster project execution, better operations with a unique visualization capability, easier compliance, and greater production flexibility. Reinvention is in our DNA. With an exceptional diverse portfolio of technologies that improve safety and help our customers to be more efficient, Honeywell is uniquely equipped to support our customers in the post-COVID world. We are actively investing in and introducing new solutions and technologies, including a new pharmaceutical packaging system for bottles and vials that preserve shelf life and drug efficacy. Honeywell Experion Batch enables you to bring medicines to market quicker with more reliability, backed by over 45 years of leadership in automation innovation. And we have a track record of delivering solutions to a diverse set of life sciences customers. Faster project execution. We offer up to 50% faster project execution and validation with our LEAP methodology. With LEAP, we also eliminate the impact of late changes in a project. Here are 5 ways we achieve this. 1. We start projects faster with virtual engineering. There is no need to wait for equipment to be purchased and staged. So the automation design, configuration, and testing of multiple potential product candidates can be conducted in a safe and flexible virtual environment. With cloud-based engineering, the best experts from across the world can participate without needing to travel to a specific location. 2. We adapt to late changes seamlessly with Universal I/O and the I/O Hive. Universal I/O hardware is completely standardized and easily configured by software, instead of having to make hardware and wiring changes. And the Experion I/O Hive provides the ultimate flexibility, giving access to any I/O data from any batch controller. 3. We execute and validate projects better with our unique approach to template reuse and validation. This dramatically reduces engineering effort and quality assurance work. And our simple I/O-based licensing approach enables full digitization of batch automation logic without ever being held up due to a license. So with Honeywell Batch, once new products have been chosen to move into commercial production, the automation strategies are easily replicated and rolled out across your operating facilities. 4. We integrate with skid-based equipment. In many cases, production skids controlled by PLCs are islands of automation. The Honeywell Batch solution provides batch orchestration with a holistic, integrated view across all operational units that can be easily layered over existing production skids. Other solutions cannot easily provide integrated operations without additional layers of physical control hardware, extensive engineering, and the inherent headache of interfacing and validating different OEM skid packages. 5. We offer a superior integrated qualification and version control system with a comprehensive audit trail for ensuring quality control and regulatory compliance of your automation application development. It covers everything from control strategies through to graphics, enforcing efficient engineering workflow and configuration consistency, and enables technology transfer from development to commercial through defined qualification states. Honeywell Batch Solutions provides unique operational visualization that sets it apart. First, let's look at this overview. Your production manager or supervisor can schedule a new batch or campaign from the main page here, where you can also get an overview of the current state of all your batches. Let's check on production for our latest biotech product. And from here, we can check the product sheet, which shows safety, the raw materials and weighing record, and the production instructions the operator will receive. Your batch operator who is currently running this batch has a truly unique operational visualization with a unit timeline showing predicted future activities and events for this batch. This future view lets you anticipate upcoming work activities, identify potential production problems that could lead to downtime, troubleshoot potential issues, and plan ahead. This adds up to reduced cycle times, more effective troubleshooting, increased product quality, and reduced production variability. Here we are looking at a bioreactor unit with the unit timeline showing at the top. You can see the current step in the middle of the timeline and can also see that in 7 minutes the operator has a manual action to perform. So they always know what is coming up, leading to increased operator effectiveness. On the left-hand panel, there is a list of messages that provide the operator with guidance. This helps eliminate batch stalls or stops, which could otherwise cause lost time and in some cases, lost batches. Clicking on the detail shows all the operator actions to perform and allows the operator to confirm actions taken. Instructions can include images or video. For example, this step shows the operator what the connection on the transfer panel should look like when they have completed this step, and supporting information for the current procedure can be embedded with the instructions. Once the operator has completed the step, they can confirm that action and have it authorized using an electronic signature. The system can also support dual signature requirements, all of which automatically gets captured in the batch report, ensuring compliance to 21 CFR Part 11. Operators can view all the units in their scope of responsibility at one time. Switching the view to show all the unit timelines, the operator can see what step each unit is in and what is coming up for each unit. Current batches are being compared with your golden batch or reference batch in real time. With Honeywell Batch, you can increase operational efficiencies, bridge operator skill gaps, and ensure repeatable quality every time. Users can respond in real time, prompted by automatic delay notifications. If there is a delay for any reason, it's highlighted in orange as it is for the bioreactor here, and the operator can drill down into it and troubleshoot delays with a Procedure Explorer to identify the root cause so it can be resolved quickly and avoid any loss of production quality. In this case, to prep the fermenter before a clean in place, we have a hold condition indicating a delay. Troubleshooting this condition is easy with the Procedure Explorer. The operator can quickly determine that the clean in place can't proceed because one of the valves have not sealed correctly. So from the control faceplate here, they can stroke that valve until they can get a good seal, and then the procedure can proceed. And now the batch is back on track. And since the batch procedure is executing in the controller, throughput is faster with lower latency. We have demonstrated that some operations like clean in place are performed 4 to 5% faster, enabling 1 to 2% additional batch throughput. Batch execution embedded in the controller also means greater reliability. Batch embedded in the controller delivers 99.999% reliability compared to the non-redundant PC server approach used by others. This avoids hundreds of thousands of transactions from the controller to a PC server over a network, eliminating multiple potential fault conditions. And no Microsoft hotfixes are required, which means greater cybersecurity and uptime. So never again will you have a batch server failure affect production. With Experion Batch, it's easier to comply to regulatory requirements with digitization of your workflows. As an important part of your electronic batch record, Honeywell's electronic work instructions provide simple step-by-step guidance, reducing the criticality of operator domain knowledge. All the batch history, activities, and approvals are captured into your batch report, enabling easy creation of your electronic batch record. It's just as easy to create work instructions for operators to follow. With a simple point-and-click user interface, you can create a new instruction which can include a series of steps with supporting content and dual signature checkpoints. You choose when to show the instruction to the operator, which can be triggered from any step in the unit procedure. Once you've created a draft instruction, you can use version control to make it active with the appropriate approvals. This puts you on a path to digitization and elimination of paperwork. Batch reporting is essential to batch compliance. Honeywell Batch offers better and simpler standard reports. When the batch is completed, the operator can easily check the batch report, which has captured all the batch execution details, including a full audit trail of actions and approvals that feeds the electronic batch record. And reporting is built in, so we don't send you to another supplier for report configuration. All the operator's actions are captured, including electronic signatures, ensuring compliance to 21 CFR Part 11. They are flexible and easy to configure with a simple drag-and-drop interface, allowing your batch reports to be configured without writing a single line of code. Drag-and-drop files don't require any programming knowledge or specialist skills to customize, so quality assurance, process engineers, supervisors, and planners can self-serve to easily get the data they need. To create exception reports, just drag-and-drop tiles that intuitively highlight alarms, operator changes, report parameter exceedances. To help avoid deviations and increase plant throughput with less manual data manipulation effort, drag on key parameter trends that automatically show you the right time frames and important variables for a specific batch. The related events, including timeline delays, are shown right below the trend to help quickly find the root cause and ensure it doesn't happen again. The Honeywell Batch Historian will reduce your IT costs and maintenance headaches. It is built into Honeywell Batch and automatically manages archiving and retrieval so that up to 30 years of batch data is instantly accessible for reports. You don't need a separate Batch Historian node, and you can access reports in a web browser on your business network. Honeywell Batch Historian keeps your data instantly accessible with data integrity compliance. Greater production flexibility. Honeywell Batch has the flexibility to easily leverage your assets for multiple products, as well as variations within a product. Flexibility for new product variants is simply enabled by new parameter settings. For example, if you now want to change the batch size and create 80 liters of the product, with Honeywell Batch, you have the flexibility to easily change the formula parameters and initiate a new batch or campaign. And if these formula settings represent a new product, then simply save this as a new formula set. Since this is simply a new set of formula parameters, this means no configuration and validation changes are needed. Apart from the flexibility to easily create new product variants, the Honeywell Batch solution delivers flexibility in many other ways. For example, our Batch Indirect Equipment Reference functionality enables flexibility with standard modular and mobile design. This lets pharmaceutical manufacturers quickly configure and scale mobile equipment to execute complex multi-product and multi-path batch production, including single-use equipment. And since changes are automatically propagated from master unit templates to unit classes automatically, you save up to 80% of the effort. With class-based validation versus the instant-based engineering used by others, You only have to validate once for the whole class, and a small number of instance-specific variables. Also, with electronic signatures at any level of the batch automation model, and technology that assures the operator is using the right instance of the equipment, you can have flexible production execution without the risk.